Showtime, a-holes. He'll be here any minute.
Which will be its loss.
I thought your thing was a sword.
We've been hired to stop an interdimensional beast from feeding on those batteries, and I'm gonna stop it with a sword.
It's just swords were your thing, and guns were mine. But I guess we're both doing guns now. I just didn't know that.
Drax, why aren't you wearing one of Rocket's arrow rigs?
It hurts.
Hurts.
I have sensitive nipples.
My nipples hurt. Oh, goodness me.
What about him? What's he doing?
I'm finishing this so we can listen to tunes while we work.
How is that a priority?
Blame Quill! He's the one who loves music so much.
No, I actually agree with Drax on this. That's hardly important right now.
Oh, okay. Sure, Quill.
No, seriously, I side with Drax.
No, I understand that. You're being very serious right now.
I can clearly see you winking.
Damn it. I'm using my left eye?
I am hurt.
Hey, we're not looking at you funny.
Oh, that's intense.